Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Nifty 50 setup for the day, and from the early cues, it looks like the market might stay flat to slightly positive, with limited momentum on either side. We'll go over key resistance and support zones, global market cues, and how traders can approach this range-bound day smartly. Looking at global market overview, let's start with the global picture. US markets, the closed around 0.16%, a flat but slightly positive close. That shows global investors are cautious but not bearish. Asian markets opened 0.14% positive, indicating mild optimism but no strong breakout momentum. European markets were a bit soft, -0.07%, showing mild profit booking. USD INR trading slightly negative at -0.03%, which is stable and favorable for Indian equities. Crude oil, down -0.66%, which is a good sign for inflation-sensitive sectors like banking and FMCG. Overall, global sentiment is neutral to slightly positive, good, but not strong enough for a breakout rally. Nifty technical setup now. Let's look at the Nifty technical levels for the day based on the support and resistance chart. Current price, 26,068. Resistance levels, R1:26 112. R2, 26,170. R3, 26,228. R4, 26,286. R5, 26,344. R6, 26,402. If Nifty sustains above 26,112, we might see an attempt to test 26,170 and 26,228, but these are short-term hurdles where sellers could re-enter. On the downside, support levels, S1:25 959. S2, 25,859. S3, 25,769. S4, 25,674. S5, 25,574. S6, 25,516. So as long as Nifty holds above 25,959, the bias remains mildly positive. But if that breaks, we could see a drift toward 25,859 and 25,769. The key takeaway, Nifty is stuck between 26,170 and 25,950, a clear range-bound zone for intraday traders. Market sentiment or sectoral view. Let's talk about market sentiment and which sectors could perform. With crude oil down, we could see some support for banks, autos, and FMCG stocks. It and metals might remain sideways since global cues are mixed. Traders should watch mid-caps and small caps for intraday momentum, but overall, volatility may stay low. The FIIs and Ds have been alternating between buying and selling, suggesting no clear conviction yet. So today's market could behave like a consolidation day. Intraday plan or strategy for intraday traders. Here's how you can plan. 1. Avoid chasing breakouts early in the day. Let Nifty settle its range. Though, watch for a clean move above 26,170 for bullish confirmation, then the target could be 26,228 or 26,286. 3. On the downside, if 25,959 breaks with volume, expect a fall towards 25,859. 4. Keep your stop loss tight, as false breakouts are common in flat sessions. 5. Option traders, premium decay could be strong today, so selling straddles or strangles near the range may work better than directional calls. In short, buy near supports, sell near resistances. Coming to final conclusion or view global cues, mixed to mildly positive. Crude and INR, favorable Nifty view, flat, range bound between 25,950, 26,170. Strategy, wait for breakouts or trade the range. If Nifty closes above 26,170, we might see a small bullish continuation tomorrow. But if it stays below 26,000, consolidation may continue. So trade safe, manage your risk, and don't expect big moves today. It's a range-bound day. That's it for today's Nifty analysis. If you found this breakdown useful, do like, share, and subscribe for daily pre-market insights. Drop a comment below with your Nifty targets and views. I'd love to hear your thoughts.